How to unsend mail in Gmail after 1 hour or less. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you if we can unsend any mail in Gmail after 1 hour or less. So first thing, let's find out. So when I try to compose a mail for someone, let me just select this person over here and let me just quickly compose a mail over here. And now when I press send, as you can see, as soon as I send it and as soon as I click on undo, as long as I'm clicking that button, I can still unsend that mail. But when I send it and when I don't click on this undo button, probably like after 5 or 6 seconds, you cannot do anything about it because there's the policy of Gmail, Google Gmail. As you can see, the message has been successfully sent, the email has been sent. Now I cannot do anything about it. So which means I cannot directly unsend any mail in Gmail after like 5 or 6 seconds. So it's impossible to unsend any mail in Gmail after 1 hour or less. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.